Hey guys, in this video we shall see another problem to solve on LeetCode. Sum root to leaf numbers. You are given root of a binary tree containing the digits 0 to 9 only. So you are given a binary tree. Binary tree means the tree containing two child nodes and it contains digits between 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number. For example, root to leaf path 1 to 3 represents a number 1 to 3. So if they have given a binary tree 1, 2 and 3. So this is the root and this is the leaf. And the root to leaf path is nothing but 1, then 2, then 3. So the root to leaf path 1 to 3, this represents a number 1 to 3. That is equal to 1 to 3. This will be represented as a number 123. Each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number and here it is 123. Return the total sum of all the root to leaf numbers. Test cases are generated so that the answer will fit in 32-bit integer. A leaf node is a node with no children. So here they give given example, the tree containing 1, 2 and 3. Here how many root to leaf path can you find out? One is 1 to 2 and the second one root to leaf path is 1 to 3. So 2 root to leaf path, root to leaf path. And this left hand side 1 to 2 represents a number 12, 1 and then 2. Here it represents 1 and then 3. So sum of these two will be equal to 25. So that is what they have told. Root to leaf path 1 to 2 contains it represents a number 12. Then root to leaf path 1 3 represents a number 13. So the total sum would be 12 plus 13, 25. We should take the other example now. 4, 9, 0, then 5 and 1. So how many root to leaf path you can find out? If we start from this root, then traverse, and you have reached. Then this root till this leaf, and for this leaf, this would be the path. So root to leaf path 3, root to leaf path you have found out. So first root to leaf path will, the number will be 495. So that is nothing but 495. So next one will be 491. So this would be 491. And here it would be 40. That is nothing but 40. So the sum of 495 plus 491 plus 40. This would equal to 1026. Hence, the root to leaf path 495, 491 and 40 that would sum up to 1026. We should return this as the answer. So what's the logic to solve the problem? Logic to solve the problem. So let's consider this example only. Yeah. So if you consider this tree, let's start with only one node now. 4. So what's the sum? In this case, root to leaf path, only root is present, so sum would be equal to 4. This is sum. Next, you consider the two leaves, 9 and 0, children to that, 9 and then 0. So if you observe now in this case, two root to leaf path you can find. One is 4 to 9 and other is 4 to 0. So here it would be 49 and here it would be 40, 4, 9 and 4, 0. So initially we had 4 as the sum. So from 4, how do we get 49 or 40? So if you observe, 4 should come to the tens place, then 9 will become to the digits units place. here also in the same case, 4 will come to the 10th place and 0 should come to the digits place. So to make 4 to come to the 10th place, to move our position ahead, you have to multiply 4 into 10 plus the units place, that is 9. That will give you 49. So that is for this root, that is root dot left. Next, coming to the root dot right part. So 4 into 10 again, so that you will make one position ahead or further back, then plus 0, that will fetch you 40. So these are the two sums which are having now. So once this is done, for this root, 4 is the sum. For this root 49 is the sum. For this root 40 is the sum. Next, let's the left hand root, this part is finished. We'll come to this part now. 951. If we consider 9 as the root now, so 4, 9, 5, and then 1. And here it is 0. So 4 to 9, 9 to 5, this would be 495. And here for this leaf, 4 to 9, 9 to 1, here it would be 491. So this total would add up to 6, then 8, 1086, 986. So this would add up to 986. So here this sum would be 495 and here it would be 491. So how do we get 495 by 449? Same thing as you did here. So 49 into 10 plus the value in this number, that is 5. That will give you 495. And again for this case also, 49 into 10 plus 1, that is 491. Now we have got to calculate all the values at all the nodes. So what's the method to solve this problem? Given the tree 4, 9, 5, then 1 and 0. Here the total sum would be 491, 495 and 491, and here it would be 40. So if you sum of 491, 5 plus 491, that would give you 986. So these two nodes get eliminated. So now you will have 4, 9, then 0. Here it is 40 and here it is 986. Then sum add these two, that would give you 1, 0. Yeah, 1026. So these nodes also gets distributed. At last we have sum as the 1026 at the root. So now let's see the code part. At first, if root equal to null, then you just return 0. That means the tree is empty and you won't be having any sum here. So next, if root not equal to null, that is this case, right? So for this, if you can see 4 and 9, 0, 5, 1. So you will move further. If this is a root, initially 4 was the root. Both root dot left, root dot right, both were not null. So you move further down. Then again come to 9. Both root dot left, root dot right are not null. So you go to these nodes, but here both root dot left and right are null. So you stop here. When you come to 0 also root dot left and root dot right are null. So you stop here, you calculate the sum. So if root dot left equal to null and root dot right equal to null, you'd be returning the sum. So sum should be calculated before this. So sum would be equal to whatever number you get result uh, into star 10, that is into 10 plus the value at that root, so root dot value. So if none of these cases passes, like if root dot left and root dot right are not null, then you have to give the recursive call to the function. The function here we have to go create another that will have two parameters. One is the root node, another one is the value at that node. As I said, you start from your 495, 491, you merge that here. So the value will be 986 and here 40. Then again you merge it here. That will give you 126. So root dot value, root comma value. So we have to call the function sol of root dot left comma value, then root dot right comma value. This is another function sol. And once you get root dot left and root dot right values, you have to sum this. So here addition will be the symbol. So when I code this, you'll get a better idea. So it was let's declare a function public in sol of tree root comma int value. So this value will be storing the summing up here. If 495 and 491, then again merge it here, it would be 986. So 986 would be stored in this value. So inside the function, if root equal to null, that is first case, return 0. If there is an empty tree, then you won't have any root to leaf path, so you return 0 as the answer. This is not the case. Now int sum equal to whatever value you have star 10 plus root dot value. So you will find out the sum. So that means initially you have the value as 485 here and 491 here. So that value, if you have it, into 10 you do it and you add it to the root dot value. Sorry, you traverse from the top to bottom, right? So you have initially value equal to 0. So 0 into 10 is 0 plus root dot value 4. So 4 would be the sum here. Next you go here. Now value into start at plus root dot value. Value will be equal to 4. So 4 into 10 is 40. 40 plus 9, 49. Again here 49 into 10 plus 5. So once this is done, we have to check if root dot left equal to null and root dot right equal to null. You just need to return result. If this is not the condition, then you have to return sol of root dot left comma result plus sol of root dot right comma result. So yeah, now you have to return. You have to call this function and return sol of root comma 0. So initially the value would be 0. So if you want to trace this, let's go to the notepad. So initially, if you consider the same tree, yeah, initially the root we call the function here solve function. So root equal to null, is it? No, it is not equal to null. So sum equal to value star 0 10. So value equal to 0 now. So sum will be equal to 0 star 10 plus root dot value, that is nothing but 4. So sum equal to 4 now. Now once you get this, yeah, it should be result or sum, anything is fine. Then yeah, okay. So sum equal to 4 now. Once you get sum equal to 4, you check whether root dot left, that is here 9 it is, and root dot right. So root equal to 4 initially. Root dot left equal to 9 and root dot right equal to 0. Are they null? No, right? So you skip this if condition and return solve of root dot left comma sum. So root dot left is nothing but solve of 4 comma 4 plus solve of 0 comma 4. So now let's take this condition. For solve of 4 comma 4, again recursively call the function. Root equal to null? No, it is not equal to null. Then sum equal to value star 10. Value is nothing but 4. So 4 into 10, 40. 40 plus the value at that node is 9. 9. So that would give you 49. Once you perform this, you check whether root dot left and root dot right are null or not. No, they are not null. So again recursively call the function. Solve of 5 comma sum is nothing but 49 plus solve of 1 comma 49. So in this, again check this function. You check whether root equal to null. No. Then if then you calculate the sum value. Sum equal to value star 10. Value is 49. Star 10 is 490 plus the root value. Root dot value is 5. So that would give you 495. So once you have 495, then you check whether root dot left and root dot right are null or not. Yes, they are null. So let's just return result. That is 495. This is done. Next, go to this function. Again, root equal to null, no. Either root dot left and root dot right are null. Yes, it is null. Before that, you have to calculate sum equal to value star 10. Value is nothing but 49 star 10 is 490 plus the value at the given root 1. So it would give 491. Since both left and right nodes are null, you return the value 491 and you add both these two as the function says, so that would give you 986. So these two are done now. Now we have to, all this part is done. Next only this part is left now. So for this, um, So if root equal to null, no, it's not equal to null. So then next, if sum, you calculate the sum. So sum equal to, what's the value now? Value is 4 here. So 4 star 10 is 40 plus 0 is the root value at that root. So that will give you 40 as the answer. Now check whether root dot right and root dot left are null or not. Yes, it is null. So you just return the result. Return 40. So this would give you 40 as the answer. And here it would be, what was the total answer? 986. And you are performing some operation that would give you 1025 as the final answer. 1026, sorry. 1026 as the final answer. Now let's run this. Yes, it's been accepted. Yeah. If you have any doubts, please drop out in the comment section. We'll come up with another problem in the next video. Until then, subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Thank you.